When you focus on you, you grow. When you focus on shit grow. Read them again. Don't give up. Life can go from 0 to 100 real quick. Don't let someone who has done nothing tell you how to do anything. They will put you last but call you first when they need something. You are not lazy. You are not lazy, but paralyzed by too many desires. Your mind wants thousand things at one time, making it completely stopping you from moving at all. Break the cycle. Choose one thing and direct all your focus to it. The only thing I am committed to right now is bettering myself. I don't care who is doing better than me. I am doing better than I was last year. It's me versus me. Your effort may not change the whole world. However, it will change your world. No matter how good or bad your life is, wake up each morning and be thankful you still have fun. Recognizing that you are not where you want to be is a starting point to begin changing your life. Your excuses just gave someone else an opportunity. Read them again. Distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down. If the plan does not work, change the plan, but never the goal.